This is the Sonax AC cleaner. It retails for less than 600 pesos per can, and it's designed to clean and disinfect your car's air conditioning system. Today I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so first step is that you start your car and also your air conditioning system. And if your air conditioning system has all sorts of these functions, make sure that one, it's in recirculate. Number two, you bring the fan to its highest setting, like so. And if you can adjust your blowers, make sure that all the vents are on. Okay, step two is that you make sure you move your driver's seat as close as possible to the steering wheel. You make sure you give the can a good shake, and then after that, you just look for this little indent here and then press it down with the entire can facing away from you. Make sure that you put the Sonax AC cleaner behind the driver's seat. That's where you're going to activate it. Okay, you can see it in action right there, and you make sure that the can empties, and also make sure that all your windows and doors are closed. Okay, step 4. Once you've confirmed that the can is empty, such as that, you just leave the door open in your car and let it vent out for 10 minutes.